Hello, hi, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, as the title mentions, I'm going to do hair spa for my dolls, or hair spa day today. So I have two of my dolls here, and this one is fake, even though I hate to say that word fake. Let's move on. So this is my custom doll, and this is less Jeanette, I think, how to pronounce it. And I'm not playing with my doll for such a long time, and you know, when your doll is sitting in the cabinet for too long, their hair becomes, you know, like a sticky texture to the touch, like this, if you can see. So what does that mean? Sorry guys for the noise. My house just, you know, near the main road. So let's move on. So I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. First of all, I'm going to use this Johnson's baby shampoo. Alright, and this one is fabric softener. You can use any fabric softener that you have available in your country. So I use that two items. So first of all, what I'm going to do is wash her hair with warm water, and then shampoo using this Baby Johnson's shampoo. And then after you wash and shampoo, I normally will dunk my doll hair in this fabric softener for about 20 to 30 minutes. So okay, normally I will shampoo her hair 2 times. This is final step. This is warm water, and I just put a little bit of fabric softener. About that much. Oh, smell really good in here. And then just dunk your doll hair in this warm fabric softener water about 20 to 30 minutes. Just like so. After 20 minutes or 30 minutes, you can blow dry her hair, or just, you know, let it air dry. So this is her hair after I towel it dry. I'm just using towel. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to let her hair fully dry, and I'm going to show you after her hair fully dry. And you also can use a towel to you know, dry her hair. And if you want to do very quick, you can use hair dryer, just like I'm going to show you right now. For this doll, because her hair is so long, so I'm going to use hair dryer. So this is her hair after hair dryer. I think it looks more manageable. You can see I can run through the comb, and you can see her hair is more shinier. And guys, this is the result after I let her hair dry for overnight, and I finished for doll as yesterday. So this is her hair now. It's really soft and more manageable, I would say. Even though you can't see in video, but it's really soft than before. And you know, if you can see this one, it's really soft and shiny, and it smells really good too. This one, for example, if I turn the head around, you can see the hair is so bouncy, meaning that the hair is really soft. So guys, that's it for today. Good luck. Bye.